Hello, traders. FS Collector here. Today is Monday, July 31st, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So, on the pound yen monthly, I still think this first move up is most likely an A. I still believe this is most likely an A, B, C, or B. I still think this is like a 1 2, and we're currently in a wave 3 of wave C, which I still believe is going to go up to about the 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A, projected out the bottom of what I think is an A, B, C, or B, right around the 203 area. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I would say that we're going to go up to at least a 78.6 before we see too much resistance. When we hit that level, I do think that this is possibly a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here, and we may end up making a larger pullback before we actually do end up continuing the uptrend. Maybe end up doing something like that. So let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it definitely looks like a possible 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, or 4, and a wave 5. If this really is a wave 5, then it probably is going to go up to about that 78%, then make a pretty big turn down, which would probably even eventually go down and take out that wave 4. But there's definitely no guarantee this is a wave 5. It very easily could be a subdivision of a much bigger trend, and it very easily could just keep on trending up. So I definitely am going to continue to look for longs on these sort of time frames, at least until I see some sort of evidence that the wave 5 is complete. Going down to the 4 hour time frame is where you can see what I think is a series of lower lows, lower highs for an A. I think this is an A, B, C of B. I think this is a downtrend for the wave C. Right down to the 123 and the 138% Fibonacci extension of wave A projected off the top of wave B. It made a very, very impulsive move to the upside. I think there's a very, very good chance this move up is just the beginning of a wave 3. I think there's probably a wave 3 of wave 5. And I think that if it does make any pullbacks, then I'm definitely going to be trying to go long for the continuation of that uptrend. Probably at least up to the 78% Fibonacci extension level that I was showing on the daily and weekly time frame. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, ever since we ended this big wave C down here, it's been making higher highs, higher lows. I definitely don't see any reason to think it's over. Hopefully it does make a pullback over the next couple days, because that will give us a chance to go long at the end of that pullback for the continuation of the uptrend, which, like I said, I think may or may not be a big wave 5 on the much longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.